Good morning. Yeah, I decided to take a walk this morning. Nice out here. Probably about 78 degrees outside. Really feels good. I hear an airplane flying. You hear that airplane? Yeah, right now it's nice out here. It's not that hot out here. Last time I looked, it was about 78. So it's supposed to get up about 97 today, or 98. Anyway, I decided to park a little bit. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning for a morning walk. Look at those wildflowers growing. Y'all see them? Well, the wildflowers going there. The wild daisy. See? Beautiful. Oh, here we go. Look right here. Y'all see them? Oh, there you go. There's some right there. See? Aren't they beautiful? So beautiful. And look at that blue sky. Wow, isn't it beautiful? A blue sky. I'm going to turn around up here. You hear the birds singing? Yeah, I love to hear the birds sing. This is my second round. Subscribe and like. And support my channel. I think I'm probably do about maybe four laps if I can. Let y'all listen to birds sing. Right now I'm on my second lap. So I'm gonna get a run here and do a third lap in a minute. Real pretty. There's that bird singing. Y'all hear it? Get around here and turn around, and then I'm gonna walk maybe third, probably about 4 laps. I'll start walking. Okay, let's see right where I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and go right back. All right, we got a little bit more ways. Okay, then I'm gonna turn around. You ready? Hey, here we go. There we go. Down there. Here's the dog barking. birds are starting to singing. Nothing better than a bird singing. I'll walk while y'all listen to the birds. Now I'm working about maybe about three laps. I'm working right now. Oh, there's a bird right there. We'll let y'all see something in a minute. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. If you look, there is a gas rig right there. You see it? Yeah. And that's a natural gas drilling rig. Maybe an oil rig. It may be an oil rig. But yeah. I like to see that. So let me finish this part. Right now I'm about on my third lap. Get up here and turn around and be maybe fourth lap. So I'm working about 1, 2, 3, about 3 laps. Let y'all listen to birds sing. That's one of the things I love to hear is a bird singing. Plus I love hummingbirds too. Right there's where I'm going. See where that patch of grass is? Right about right there. You see that patch of grass? That's where I'm going. I'm gonna turn around up there. Walking's real good for you. Real good for you. This is the only kind of exercise I can do. Yes, the only kind of exercise I can do. Now y'all see it, huh? You see that? Look at that blue sky. We'll go right there, turn around, and we'll go back. Now, I'm going to make 4 rounds out here. Oh, I got to show y'all something. Look right here. Those are wildflowers right there. Y'all see them? Subscribe and like. Those are wildflowers there. Saw them? Yeah, those are wildflowers growing. I decided to come out and walk around a little bit. Today is supposed to get up about 98 degrees today. It's 97, close to there, I think. And I'm working about 4 laps. 4 laps. Wow, those are real pretty out there. I'm gonna show y'all I got some stuff growing in my flower garden, and I'll show it to y'all in a minute. I think I might do about 4 laps. You hear that bird? Ah, that's a nice sound. That's a sweet sound when you hear birds singing. Yeah, I love hummingbirds. Okay. I think this one to do 4 laps. That's good. 4 whole laps. Oh, I see a bird. Wow, I saw a bird just then. Yeah, birds are something else. Hummingbirds is real sweet. Okay. Get a little bit more. Okay. 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 Right through here. Okay. And I'm going to show you on my flower garden. I'll show you my flowers, If you'll look, there's flowers coming up, see? And look right here. Look at that. There's some flowers. See them flowers? These are landscape lights right here. These are solar power. They come on when they get sun on them. And those are real pretty. Especially at night. And then, of course, y'all saw these flowers. But look right here. Look right there. See? Got some more flowers coming up. This window. And look right over there. That may be a pumpkin seed growing. See it? Right there. Get ready? Of course, I'll sun the sunflower. Okay. Let's take a look at that. Isn't that a beautiful day today? I haven't seen the hummingbirds out here in a long time. They got some. See those bird seeds right there? Well, those are sunflower seeds. And when the birds are eating out of that feeder right there, they drop all the seeds down there. So that's why I have my hummingbird feeder over here during the winter time, and all the birds dropped all the sunflowers down there, and then the sunflower came up. Of course, I planted some new sunflowers right down there. Okay, guys, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.